So with structure, anything goes. You can't really say there's the best structure, or what's a good one, what's a bad one. It depends on the song. Now there is, a structure that is accepted in, especially in pop music, where you have your intro, you have a verse, a couple of verses, you have a bridge or pre-chorus, whatever you want to call it. Then you have a chorus, then you have some kind of a break, then another verse, then another pre-chorus, chorus, some kind of a break in the song, or what I like to call it a break. Traditionally, has been called a bridge. Okay, but I call it a break because it is a break in the song. It could be something different, like tempo wise. It could be that different instruments, but a break in the song, and then repeat the chorus, and then your outro, and that's it. So that's the pop structure, right? So you got intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, break, chorus. Okay, so that's the pop genre. That's the expected thing that people will look out for. I mean, of course, a pre-chorus or a bridge, what I call a bridge anyway, is not mandatory. It depends on the song, of course. But songs, once you've written the song or the song is coming to life, it'll dictate the structure that it's going to have. It's pretty amazing the way that works, because each song is different. Now, when you're writing pop, of course, pop is pop, right? But if you're writing something like jazz, okay, or classical, you're not bound to anything, right? Fusion, it could have any kind of a structure, and actually it's expected in those genres for the structure to be a bit out of whack, to not be the regular, repetitive kind of format that we have in pop. But assuming that you're in pop, that's pretty much the structure that you're going to be working with, So, but you're not bound by it. You don't have to have that structure. But you can mix it up. You can mix it around. We hear that sometimes. Sometimes a song doesn't even have a chorus. Just has a really strong verse, and then for a chorus or a repetitive hook, it'll be like a guitar riff, or something that is not, a vocal. Of course, you have instrumentals as well, but they usually follow that same format. There's usually a repetitive hook, whether that's a vocal or whether that's an instrument of some kind. It'll have some kind of a repetitive thing that repeats over and over again, but in my opinion and in my experience, a song will dictate its structure to you. It'll form its own beingness and its own identity as you're writing it. It's just pretty cool.